Hey everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and today we are doing our photo shoot for the new toddler blank tee with the superhero cape. And I have our HTS mascot here, Logan, and he is wearing his new shirt, and it started off like this. It was a blank tee, and then it has the superhero cape blue on the back, which also comes in red and pink. It does have a removable cape, which is super easy. So when you go to decorate these, it's easy to remove and you can put the design on there. So Logan, why don't you show everyone your design?
Okay.
So Logan, we were able to personalize your cape for you. We were able to add Captain America's shield back there, and we use a bunch of different vinyls. And why don't you tell everyone who's on the front of your shirt?
Captain America with a shield and Iron Man.
Awesome. And what do you think about your shirt?
It's cool.
It's cool? 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Can you give a big smile?
HTS rocks.
All right, guys, we hope that you'll check out our new caped shirts. They are going to be available on our website, and again, they come in red, blue, and pink, and they are sizes 2T through 5T. All right, Logan, give a thumbs up.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.